How to deliver your bonuses to your customers who have bought through your affiliate link. That is what we're going to be seeing today. I'm Sachin here, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you whenever you promote an affiliate link through your bonus page like this, and when somebody buys through your bonus page, how should you deliver those bonuses to that particular customer. That is what we're going to be seeing today. Okay, so in this case, let's say you have designed a bonus page like this, and somebody clicks on your CTR, the call to action link over here, and he purchased that product. Now in this case, if you do have a website of yours, what I would recommend you to create a page like this. This is a normal squeeze page, but what a benefit is, you're going to be grabbing the email address of a real buyer. Okay, I would highly recommend those who have a website, you can create a page like this in your InstaBuilder, whatever software you're using for like creating landing page, and you can basically design a page like this where you basically say thank you from searching your name for purchasing, and please enter below your email address to claim your bonuses. And 99% of the time people would put in their real email addresses over here. So once they put their email address and click on this, then they're going to be redirected to this main bonus delivery page. Now this is a really free way of creating this kind of page. I'm going to be showing you that thing. But for those people who don't have their own website, how could you create this bonus page and how could you deliver it? Okay, so in this case, if you want to create a page like this, what you can do is you can go to blogger.com. Blogger, B-L-O-G-G-E-R. It's a Google product. If you have a Gmail, you're going to be using the same Gmail to use this blogger.com. Okay, and on this page, you can basically create multiple pages to send out your bonus page. All right, so in this case, once you click on this new page, what you can do is you can basically create this page like a blog you create on your website. You can just, for in this instance, I would just copy this. Thank you for purchasing through my link. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it over here. That's it. And I'm going to click on publish. So once they ask to confirm, I can confirm it. And my bonus delivery page is pretty much ready. If you want to see it, you can go over here, hover over here, click on view, and you're going to be seeing that this page is pretty much ready for you. You can then, what you can do is you can basically go just right below this video and you can basically copy this link, and then you can basically go to your affiliate link in Warrior Plus or whatever offer you're promoting. Say instance you are in Warrior Plus, you can go to Warrior Plus any offer and you can click on get the link, and then in this column there would be a column which would say buyer bonus URL. In this column you're going to be pasting that particular link to that web page which we just created, and then click on save. That's it. So whenever somebody buys through this affiliate link which we have just used, whenever somebody buys through this affiliate link, he is going to receive this bonus delivery page directly from Warrior Plus. You don't have to do it separately. So those who purchase with your affiliate link, they're going to be getting this bonus delivery page automatically. Okay, now in JVZoo, what you can do is basically JVZoo has a great feature where you could basically integrate it with your GetResponse. If you're using GetResponse or SendLane, I believe SendLane is also there, but you can basically put in the API key of your GetResponse or to respond over here, and then when somebody buys through your affiliate link, the person who has bought through your affiliate link, his real email address would be directly added to your GetResponse autoresponder in whichever list you have selected. Let me show you how. So in this case, you're going to you need to have an API key. So you go to your GetResponse dashboard. You see on this dot section, and you can go below and you can see integration and API. Once you click on this, you're going to be landed on this page. So in this case, I have already generated a JVZoo key. So you can basically click on this generate API key, and then you can basically create any key you want. You can write JVZoo over here, JVZoo, and you can click on this generate, and an API key just like this would get created. Now in this case I have already created it, so it will not create for me. So I'm going to just copy this link which is already created. I'm going to go to this affiliate link page on JVZoo, and I'm going to paste it over here. So once I paste it over here, I'm going to be clicking on the save button, and once I save it, that's it. I'm going to go again to integration part, and then they would ask me, please enter your valid list name. So I'm going to select any of the list which I want that particular customer's email to go. Okay, so in this case I have two lists in my get response. One is buyers list and one is MMO, that is make money online list. Okay, so in this case I would be selecting a buyers list, and then I'm going to be clicking on save button. So that would give the customer email address straight into my buyers list email list on my get response. How cool is that? And they also have an send lane option. If you're using send lane, you can also do it the same way. Okay, so in this case, get response and send lane, they have a facility on jvzoo.com. Okay, now another thing is on here, how could you deliver bonuses if you don't want to deliver through get response? How could you deliver bonuses? So in this case, you're going to be coming to this bonus section. You can name this as bonuses from your name, and then you can either upload a file if you want to deliver bonuses in that form, or you can paste in any of your URLs. So in this case, what I'm going to be doing is copying that link, and I'm going to go to link page, and I'm going to paste that link over here. This is the bonus delivery page which we just created. So I have copied this link over here, and then I have came over here, I have pasted over here, and I'm going to click on save. So in this way, those who purchase through this affiliate link, they would get my bonuses directly delivered through JVZoo's JVZoo payment receipt. So when they get a JVZoo payment receipt, there would be a button which would say affiliate bonuses in a green color button, and when they click on this, they're going to be landed onto this page where they would get the bonuses, whatever you have promised. So in this way, you can basically deliver the bonuses which you have promised on the bonus page. Okay, so fair enough. I think you have understood. If any kind of questions you have, you can please comment below and let me know how you like this video. If you like this content, you can click the like button. Either way, if you didn't like, you can click the dislike button, but let me know what you didn't like so that I can improve myself in my next video, my friend. Till the next time, have a great day, my friend. Bye bye.